Water is the source of health, energy, strength, and life. Currently, half of American households rely on home water treatment systems or bottled water because they are not totally confident that their water supply is safe. The most dangerous contamination in water is naked to the human eye. This is why if your water is clear, it doesn't mean it is safe to drink. A trusted and reliable whole house water purification system will ensure your family has healthy, safe water to consume and has total confidence in the water quality in your home. Introducing Acuva's whole house water purification system, the ArrowMAX Home. It is a best-in-class device that can purify all water that is being dispensed in your home. The system is powered by Acuva's patented UV-LED intense beam technology. The device is featured with an advanced control panel for real-time system health, IoT capability so you can monitor the health and function of the system, instant activation when water is being turned on or off, saving energy consumption by 90% over traditional UV lamp-based systems, real-time performance and maintenance monitoring to ensure optimal purification. UV LED modules can also be upgraded, and high-quality stainless steel construction for durability and long life, ensuring robust and consistent performance. The patented intense beam technology provides consistent performance and efficient water disinfection. Unlike conventional technologies, Acuva's system does not contain mercury or other harmful chemicals and is more sustainable for the environment. It does not change the water temperature and will require no maintenance or cleaning. Acuva's system will operate on demand only when water is flowing to increase longevity, treating water as it's being dispensed from faucets, hoses, or showerheads. With Acuva Water Purification System, you can be sure that your whole house is being supplied with clean, safe water for your family when they are taking a shower, bath, cooking, or simply drinking water from the tap.